go in it.
But don't go.
Why?
But that's a dangerous snow.
Yeah, I mean, Sean's right. You don't want to go in a blizzard. You can freeze, get frostbite. You want that? Get frostbite? Am I right, Sean?
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys really think I'm scared of freezing? What, are you guys scared?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going in the blizzard. See ya.
No!
Well, do you really want to get frostbite and freeze? I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Are you sure? I gotta hug you.
Look, I'm fine. I don't want any hugs. But I'm good. Just, I see you guys. Huggy stop. I'll see you guys later.
Yep, he's gonna freeze. Same.
Yep.
1 hour later.
I'll go check on Mikey.
Okay.
Animals, humans, you go freeze. Guys, it's too late. Guys, we're supposed to do.
Well, duh, we melt the ice. Just any cheese. What?
Hey, Fluffy, how it take long? Just roll in the floor.
Just wait. I think something's happening. Ooh, my legs are cold. Huh, he's back! I'm so glad to be back. What was that for? I just got out being freezed.
We told you you go to freeze.
Yeah, you kind of deserved it anyway. Can I hit him, Sean?
Sure, here.
Ow! 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 Ow!